Please subscribe, Myong Berceros TV. Another promising Davaoeno open spiker has made it to the men's team of the National University Bulldogs volleyball team, who is the current University Athletic Association of the Philippines UAAP champion. Leo Aringo, a former high school varsity player of Davao City National High School, is one of the new players of the Bulldogs who is seeking a rare three-peat in the 83rd season of the UAAP. Aringo, who helped Davao City capture third place in the 2019 Palarong Pamansa in Davao City, is one of the highly recruited high school volleyball players this year. In the bronze medal finish of Davao City in the Palaro, Aringo provided scoring and reliable defense for his team. The 6'2" lanky player from Doña Vicenta, Davao City, captured attention of the Bulldog head coach Dante Alinsorunin because of his leaping and spiking ability. Aringo is the second Davaoeno who cracks the Bulldogs lineup in the past 4 years. Before Aringo, Francis Saura, a middle blocker from Buhangin, Davao City, also played for the Bulldog in the past 4 years. Saura, who has also helped the Philippine team capture the silver medal in the 2019 Southeast Asian Games men's volleyball team, played his final season for the Bulldogs last year. In a recent interview over ABS-CBN sports program The Score, Aringo is happy and pressured to play for the Bulldogs. Aringo explained that the departure of Saura and Bulldog volleyball star Brian Bagunas has pushed him to play at his best in the suspended UAP season. My pressure sa aming mga rookies to help NU win three-peat next year, Aringo said.
Working hard on and off the court. 22-14. Big leader ready for signal at 8. Mangolabnan will serve. Aringo down the line. Now the window of opportunity for Santa Elena may be getting smaller and smaller. And correct me if I'm wrong, some coaches probably would be thinking